Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today, our fall quarterly box from Nomadik. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, like I said in the beginning, this is our fall quarterly box from Nomadik. Now, this is a pretty big box. So we're going to dive into this and see what we have. The quarterly boxes will run you $150 per quarter, and they claim that it's a $200 value. Now, they do have a sale going on right now on their website. If you sign up, you do get a little bit off of that $150. So what we're going to use to open this box, I always show you and showcase something that I've used before or tested or reviewed. So we're going to be using the doohickey from Night Eyes. Now, it's on my keychain. I'm still in the testing phase of this, but I do have a first impression video up, so you can go check that out. Be a card up top. So let's get into this and use this to cut the box. So you've got a kind of a scraper on there, and then this side is tapered just a little bit to open boxes and cut tape. We got that done. Let's get this side. And it's no knife blade, so it would be travel friendly. All right, we got that. Now, let's see what we have. Let's find our pamphlet. I see a lot of cool stuff in here already. There's our pamphlet. So this is Day Adventure. There's our pamphlet for this quarterly box. We've got we've got 5 things in this box, and they have a Nomadik challenge for the quarterly boxes. 2 winners each will receive a quarter, or 2 winners each quarter win a free $50 product bundle. So the pamphlets for each box, they come in quarterly boxes and the regular boxes. I'll give you a description of what's in the box, as well as a giveaway and shop information and tips about things. So this one is Day Adventure, so the tips relate to day hiking. So there's that. We keep it handy in case there's anything in here that we don't know about and we need to look into. But I see one big item in here, and that's where I'm going first. I see a backpack. So this Alps Mountaineering backpack. Let's see, is there a tag? Hydro Trail 17. Does it come with it? Hold on now. Comes with a water bladder. All right. Normally I don't hike, like long trip hike with a water bladder, but I would a day hike. So that is awesome. This is an awesome bag. I will have to test this bad boy out and come back and give you some information about it. But it's the Hydro Trail 17. It comes in the fall quarterly box. It's a 3-liter hydration reservoir, 200D nylon ripstop, double ripstop fabric, trekking pole loops, side compression straps, and includes a rain cover in here somewhere. I'm guessing down here at the bottom. That is awesome. So pretty cool bag. I'm curious to see what this will retail for. Yes, so there's that. Next, we have an Alps Mountaineering Day Venture waterproof blanket. So this box just keeps getting better and better. So let's see what the tag says. So 80 inches long by 58 inches wide. Stuffs down to 13.5 long, 5.5 inches deep. Weight 2 pounds 3 ounces. Super soft water resistant fleece. Nylon bottom with waterproof inner membrane. Indoor and outdoor use. Corner stakeout loops and a stuff sack. Pretty awesome. Let's just take a peek at it. I know I will never get it back in this bag, especially out here with all my stuff. So, okay, so it's got, mine has a blue fleece bottom, and then looks like a nylon top. So really awesome. So there's that. So 2 things from Alps Mountaineering. Hey, hey, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. Then we have Alpine Start Original Blend Instant Coffee. All right, so there's 8 packs of coffee in here. I do definitely use instant coffee while I hike. So just little water packets, similar to the little water mixes. So there's that Alpine Start, smooth, full-bodied, and tasty. Original blend, which is medium roast, and it has instructions on the box. So that's pretty cool. We have Survivor Filter water bladder. All right, so just a little water bladder, collapsible. I love these while hiking because when they're empty, they don't take a whole lot of space. And we have one last thing besides our sticker for this box. Oh, and we have to figure out what this is. This says, let's see. Fossils Think Fast Snap Fold Bowls. Okay, so these are 2 bowls. Let's get that off. We don't need, well, if I can get it. We don't need that. So, got a, I think this is the company that did the cutting boards last time. So, it's a foldable bowl, evidently. So, how you do it, I will have to read instructions. I don't like reading instructions. Let's see. So we have 2 of them. I didn't want to take them apart, but they snap together. Huh. Assemble print side out. Is that the print side? Yeah, print side out. This is going to take some getting used to here. Ah, I see how it goes. It folds. I don't go. Got to be. All right, so we're going to have to play around with these, but we're going to come back with another video on these snap fold bowls. These are awesome. Just the idea of it, because they can just slide down in your pack. They don't take up a whole lot of space. They're all one piece. So even though there's a fold in there, there's snaps. If you can see these little pop snaps through here. So this one has there's a hole here. There's this one and this one. So it would fold to where one of these goes through that hole and they snap together. That's according to the picture. So it does have measurements on here up to 500 milliliters and 16 ounces. But it's got a topographical design on here. And yeah, so snap fold bowls from Fossils. Now I'm going to try, I say it every time, but I'm going to try to put links and prices down below so you have an idea if this is worth the money. Again, this quarterly box is going to run you $149.99, so $150. I have a link in the description below for Nomadik. It'll take you over to their website. Click on subscriptions and quarterly boxes. And last time I looked, they had a sale on this box. It's only going to be available for a period of time before it goes away for the new quarterly box. So, Alps Mountaineering pack, Alps Mountaineering blanket, foldable bowls, a little water bladder, and 8 packs of instant coffee. I think this was a really, really good box. We're going to look at the prices on that stuff sitting right there. And I'll come back to you with reviews of what I can review. There you go. I'm going to play around with these, though. I think I'm going to figure these out. So, there you go. So, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to click that thumbs up and come back for another video. So, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.